Alright, so I already did this pocket. So now let's do it on our other side. So what I did was to help me out a little bit is I just put a stitch marker where I need the bottom part to start. So I know like if I need to stretch it a little bit more. But kind of go by the rows, so one stitch on each one. So it looks nice and neat. And then we're going to roll this, and it might be easier for you to iron it first. So you can just roll this hem. I try not to roll it too much. And then you can iron it and then come back, but that's what it will look like. I already have my needle where I need to place my pocket. And so I just bring it down there. And then you really just sew. I lay this all flat except for the bottom part. I don't. I roll that part. So just make sure that you're going down on the same row. And then come back up. And then go down. Okay, let me just show you. When I am sewing the bottom piece, I go from the bottom and then up to the top. And then you don't want to cross over because then that'll make a line. So I go through and then back down. Like that. Okay, and that's what it'll look like. So sew all the way down, and then when you're doing this side, I would take this stitch marker off and then put it over here, and then same with here. If you don't have a stitch marker, you can use like a scrap piece of yarn and just kind of sew it through that loop. Yeah, that's it.